Skin cancer is simply the uncontrolled growth of abnormal skin cells. This occurs when your DNA is damaged, and the genes that control cell division are also damaged. When this damage affects your skin cells, it can lead to uncontrolled cell division. Certain factors increase your risk of developing skin cancer. Some of these factors include prolonged sun exposure, having fair skin, being old in age, and having a positive family history. A biopsy is taken from the suspected mass and is referred to the lab for analysis. If the biopsy is positive for cancer, there are a few options for treatment, such as surgical removal of the mass, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy. However, the outcome of these treatments greatly depends on which stage you catch the tumor at. The earlier you catch it, the more effective the treatment will be, so the better the prognosis will be. This is why in this video, we will reveal to you 10 early skin cancer signs you should never ignore. Stay tuned until the end because signs number 9 and 10 may seem normal to most people, but you may be surprised to find them in this list. Now, without any further ado, let's get to it. Number 1. Changes in old moles. It's normal to have multiple moles on your body. Your moles are normal growth of pigmented skin cells on your skin surface. They are usually a shade of brown. They can be flat or form small bumps on your skin. Having many moles on your body is normal. However, when any of your moles exhibit any changes, you should start to worry. For example, if any of your moles show changes in size, shape, or color, it's best for you to check with your doctor as soon as possible. These changes occur due to DNA damage in melanocytes. Melanocytes are the cells responsible for producing the brown pigment melanin in your skin. After analyzing data from a study, it was revealed that changes in moles were indicative of melanoma development. Number 2. Asymmetry in your moles. Another early sign of skin cancer is the asymmetry of your moles. Asymmetry means that not all parts of your moles look the same. This is due to the uneven growth of the tumor. Moles due to cancerous lesions usually aren't round or oval in shape. Asymmetric moles have weird and non-specific shapes. To check if your mole is asymmetric or not, imagine a line that divides your mold into two halves. Then ask yourself, do both sides have similar appearance or not? A study released in Archives of Dermatology found that asymmetry is present in 90% of melanomas. Number 3. New growths or spots on skin. One of the most obvious signs for skin cancer is having new growths or spots on your skin. These growths are due to the uncontrolled cell division of cells at the surface of your skin. Studies show that about 20 to 30% of melanomas originate from old moles, whereas 70 to 80% arise as new growths. Melanoma is the most dangerous type of skin cancer. It arises from melanocytes. It's dangerous because it can spread quickly to other organs if it isn't diagnosed early. Number 4. Irregular border. If you notice your moles have irregular borders, you might want to check for skin cancer. Irregular borders occur when the growth of the tumor doesn't follow the normal growth patterns. So the moles have uneven borders. In cancerous moles, the borders may even appear blurry. Moreover, you may even notice that the brown pigment of the mole spreads beyond its border and into the skin. In a study published in the British Journal of Dermatology, it was found that 85% of melanomas had irregular borders. So, if you can identify the border of your mole as a smooth, uniform outline, it's recommended you get a professional's opinion. Number 5. Changes in color or color variations in the same mole. If you notice that your moles are changing color, or if you notice multiple colors arising within the same mole, then this can be a warning sign for skin cancer. Normally, your mole should be a brown shade that is more or less uniform throughout it. It is important to mention that some people experience slight darkening in the color of their moles due to sun exposure. This is considered normal. However, when the color of your mole changes or becomes uneven suddenly and rapidly, this may be alarming. In melanoma, the most common changes are the darkening or appearance of dark spots within the mole. While in other types of skin cancer, such as basal cell carcinoma, the color of the mole gets lighter and often appears as a pink color. Modern research revealed that 80% of melanomas can be identified by changes in color. Number 6. Changes in diameter. Changes in the diameter or size of your mole is a cause of concern. Normal moles should be 6 millimeters in diameter or less. However, during the growth of skin cancer, you may notice that your moles are increasing in size and becoming bigger. While this is more common yet, some people reported that their moles actually got smaller before they were diagnosed with skin cancer. It was found that 90% of melanomas are larger than 6 millimeters in diameter. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 7. Moles that are evolving. The evolution of a mole means that its appearance is constantly and rapidly changing. According to the Journal of National Cancer Institute, all melanomas show some sort of evolution during their growth. The evolution of the mole is caused by genetic mutations due to DNA damage. Number 8. Sores that don't heal. Sores are raw and painful lesions on your skin. This may be caused by numerous conditions. However, if you find that these sores aren't healing, then this can indicate skin cancer. This is because the tumor mass drains your skin's supply of nutrients during its growth. This leaves less nutrients available for the healing of your skin. Due to the hindering of your skin's healing process, you may find that skin sores take longer to heal. It was found that a type of skin cancer called squamous cell carcinoma was accompanied by non-healing skin sores in 60% of cases. Number 9. Redness or swelling. Redness and swelling occur in your skin in response to ongoing inflammation. Countless conditions can cause inflammation in your skin and consequently cause redness and swelling. While this may be a harmless symptom in most cases, however, it is better to be safe than sorry. If you notice redness or swelling around your mole, then it may be your immune system fighting off the tumor cells. When your white blood cells start damaging skin cancer cells, an inflammatory reaction can be triggered in your skin. According to data from a published study, around 50% of melanoma cases experience redness and swelling. This is according to data reported by examining doctors and symptoms from patients. Number 10. Itchiness, tenderness, or pain. Reporting symptoms such as itchiness, tenderness, or pain to your doctor may actually help to diagnose skin cancer early. While these symptoms may seem general to you, however, they can indicate skin cancer. This is because as the tumor grows, it can grow around and involve the nerves in your skin. Additionally, as your white blood cells try to destroy tumor cells growing around the nerve, it can also lead to surrounding inflammation. So you may feel itchiness or pain around the tumor lesion. Furthermore, the cancerous mass may be tender, meaning it's only painful when you touch it. Approximately 30% of melanoma patients report symptoms of itchiness and pain. So these were the top 10 early skin cancer signs you should never ignore. It is of great importance that you do constant self-checks, especially if you have any of the risk factors mentioned at the beginning of this video. If you notice any of these signs, you better hurry to your doctor for a checkup. The sooner skin cancer is discovered and diagnosed, the sooner you can start the treatment. This will lead to a better prognosis. Now, we want to hear from you. Did you or anyone you know experience any of these signs before? What was the diagnosis? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.